Hi, I'm Malik, this is Fast Tutorial and song Karma Police. This is my attempt of collaboration between guitar and piano. Usually I sing this song with piano, but this is guitar tutorial channel and strumming. Intro. And A, D, E, G, and this one F sharp, G, and A minor with F in the bass, E minor, and G, and again, and then A, D, G, D, E, and next chord we need D in the bass, A and D chord, but we haven't D in the bass, and I play usually B. If you want, you can too play D major, but I play this chord. So A, B minor, and G. This is G, F sharp. I know we need to play C and B, but when we play C and B, we lose chord D major, and this is fifth. So, and verse. Karma police, rest is my hell, talks in man, buzz like a free jazz. So A, D, E, and then G, A, without this. Da, 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 da. And again. Karma police, rest is my hell, talks in man. It was like a free jazz, like a detuned radio. And chorus. This is what you get. And usually I hold this chord. If you want, you can play this chord. So this is what you can, da, 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 da. This is what you can, as you wish. This is what you can. This is good for piano, but on guitar I didn't play. If you want, you can play this, yeah. And okay. As you wish. I didn't play this. This is what you get. This is what you get. Oh, with F sharp. This is what you get when I meet you. And verse. And verse, yes. An outro. B, D, G, D, G, D, and E. You can to play this chord, E7, or this chord, I know this strange chord, or E major, as you wish. Usually I play E, just E. So it's all. This amazing song. Thank you for watching. Please like or dislike as you wish, and don't forget to subscribe. Good luck. Karma police, rest is my hell, talks in man. This is what you get. This is what you get.